In the previous segment, we touched on some more precise features that would benefit your multi-dwelling unit management process, introducing simplifications to a workflow that otherwise may not even interact within the same software. We bring these same simplifications to service management. Scheduled events were mentioned as a means of tenant management. However, they should be considered for managing services relating to an account as well. Scheduled events can be used for more than scheduling an account disconnection or making a payment. They can also be used to schedule service changes, such as removing or adding packages and services to an account, scheduling price overrides to take effect at a future date, or applying a one-time transaction from a service. All with that same ease of being able to set it and forget it, having the actions automatically take place in the background while you focus on other matters. Part of managing services is managing the pricing for your services and for your tenants. Sonar gives the freedom to quickly and easily make changes to your services and packages as well as your invoice settings. You are able to create any number of services you need, whether that's an overage service to be associated with an existing data service, an expiring service being used for a 3-month discount, or an adjustment service to adjust bills or to bill for services that are difficult to define by a traditional pricing model. You can also bundle multiple services together to create packages and have the ability to control how some of the service information is displayed on your customers' invoices. When setting up your services, they can be configured as a data service, used for internet services or standalone IPTV services, as a voice service used for voice over IP or residential phone services, or as a more general service, which could be used for IPTV channels or extra usage packages. Additionally, there are a few other service types that can be added in order to accommodate the various necessities that will come up if you are a property owner or caretaker. Non-data services can be added, such as recurring rent payments or fees for maintenance or service calls, and you also have the ability to add existing services as a one-time transaction to an account. All services added to an account appear as line items on the monthly invoice, displaying information on what services are being charged, which can also be modified to a certain extent. For example, when adding services to accounts, you have the option to override the name of the service to alter what appears for your customers and apply any price overrides in order to charge certain customers more or less than the actual service price. At the service level, you can also control whether services that have $0 amounts appear on invoices or not. With this flexibility, you are able to accommodate for unique customer situations and custom pricing as needed. Thanks for joining us for the second video in our MDU series. Hopefully, this has helped show how some of the same features we looked at in the tenant management video can be used to make life simpler with service management, as well as how Sonar's flexibility with services can be used to accommodate for all of your customer situations. Be sure to check out the rest of the videos in this series to learn more.